Despite recent months of tension on the line of actual control between India and China, the two countries have managed to keep things calm, as the bonhomie in Ladakh showed. Nitin Gokhale was there.
Indian and Chinese soldiers mixing business with pleasure in Ladakh on 26 January. Thrice each year, Chinese soldiers walk into Indian territory. Indians reciprocate in the same manner. Last week, the occasion was India's 61st Republic Day. The mood distinctly joyous. This was in stark contrast to the acrimony and tension in Ladakh last year. Chinese patrolling along the line of actual control was aggressive and sometimes intrusive, forcing India to increase vigil. Negotiations on the 50-year-old India-China border dispute remain frozen despite over a dozen rounds of talks in recent years. But the military is taking no chances. Ladakh is now the new focus of Indian Army's future plans.
You see, improving our military posture is an ongoing process. Accordingly, the infrastructure development we are going in, and as part of our, again, calculus, we do plan various things, and I think I'll leave it at that.
For the moment at least, the tension and the differences between the two sides is forgotten. As you would see, the Chinese soldiers are happy to be here. They are exchanging pleasantries with the Indian soldiers. The Indian soldiers welcome them. And this is what happens every time a border personal meeting takes place between India and China across the Himalayan frontier, starting from Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Ladakh in the west. At Chushul with Sajilal, Nitin Gokhale for NDTV.
Tuba.com